the whole time.
Yeah, all the people all running to go.
May 19th, 2010. We're in Hennessey, Oklahoma. We have a large wall cloud in front of us, large rotating wall cloud. I have chasers Amanda Seale and Michael Winegarden with me today. This thing can go tornadic at any time. This is a very impressive structure here. Mesosearch.net. We're just west of Hennessey, Oklahoma. We have a developing tornado right here in front of us. Absolutely incredible structure on the storm. This is absolutely amazing. It's trying. Dude, I hope you know you were going, man. Hennessey, Oklahoma. May 19th, 2010. Very large violent tornado on the ground. Large violent tornado on the ground. Let me get past you. That is a large violent tornado. No, don't trust me, that motherfucker's going. I'm watching that phone call above that roof. I'm watching to see where it's going. It looks like it's slowly moving to the right. Really keep an eye above our heads, though. We can have other satellite tornadoes form next to us. That's an extremely large violent tornado. That's a violent tornado.
Is it getting a little rain out?
A little bit, not too bad. That's a violent tornado, guys. Holy shit. Best of 2010 right here, guys. Large tornado on the ground. Hey baby, come here. Isn't that amazing? Long-lived tornado on the ground. Just moving north of Hennessey, Oklahoma. It's an incredible cone on the ground right now. These guys are driving by are missing something spectacular. RFD winds right here. There's the fucking hell core right there. That green right there above us. We're perfectly south of it. We're okay. They need to keep them sirens going. I'm just waiting for another tornado to form somewhere along this line here. Yeah, it's the RFD. Very cylindrical tornado on the ground. Look at the motion. Look at the motion.
Oh my god.
The motion's incredible. Very violent. we need to go, guys. Let's go.
I tried to hit zoom.
Yeah, that's nothing.
So it's going to stay back there?
Yeah. Incredible structure. Look at the striations right above us. You see it rotating. You look right here, it goes around. Look at this new wall cloud tightening up right here.
Is your phone going off?
Yeah. Yo, we're right underneath a freaking developing tornado. Right underneath it! Mike, look out your window right here.
Yeah, I see it. Damn it, I don't like that.
Oh my god.
Film that!
I'm trying.
You got it? You got it?
I got it.
That's a tornado, isn't it?
It's a developing tornado.
At least it's moving away from...
Keep it on the ground, see if there's any rotation on the ground. You just keep filming that. Oh my god, give me the camera.
Holy crap. Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
This is right up to me!
We're in a good spot now if you go that way, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're gonna get fucking hooked. Roll your window up! Roll your window up!
Oh, fuck. Bad.
No, we're okay.
Really, really cool.